Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary. Binary in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, the first Friday of the month, June the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 1-star Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Binary time, and this will be number 6529. Yeah, 6529. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, Hano Dano. Double one, Hano Dano. Double one, Hano Dano. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, Hano Dano. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Well, we have here. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know it. Oh! Well, we have here 4 ones. So the rest are O's, of course. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Here. Let me see. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finished in 3 minutes. Wow. Without comparing again. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.